Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to make voice deeper. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make your voice deeper in BandLab mobile app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your BandLab app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the options, then open up your project or simply import it. Now once you're inside your track, in order to make your voice deeper, what you need to do is tap on the track, then tap on the three dotted icon, and there you'll find an option that says transpose. Simply tap on that and you can adjust the pitch level to go deeper as well. You can also use a voice changer that is on the bottom of the options. That will require the premium subscription of the BandLab app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.